up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So today I am doing a seafood boil, y'all. I've been wanting seafood for so long, but I've been putting it off. And baby, we got our
don't the kids like crab legs too?
Everything in here, of course, is crab
and
legs,
potatoes
corn,
and sausage.
Eggs, potatoes and shrimp. I did not know that it came with.
Oh, she eats good and they eat processed.
It came with a lot, y'all.
I know we have to have things to ourselves sometimes, but
I'm about to open it.
Come on, Jazz. You know Kaden love crab legs. And Amaya. And the babies could eat potato and egg.
Crab Shack. About to be hidden.
You can make that yourself. You know that, right?
I didn't know that it had potatoes in the bag because it didn't say that, advertise that on the.
Well, since you got extra, give some to the babies.
The website. And a lot of y'all were saying, Jazzy, we want to see a mukbang. So here it is, girl. I'm gonna talk a little bit, but I'm not gonna talk a lot. My kids are over there eating as well, eating their food.
What they eating?
Yeah.
Processed spaghetti.
He's actually watching
chicken nugget.
Cocoa melon. Y'all gonna hear that in the background too.
Waffles.
So, baby, look at that.
Yeah, it look good.
It looks so good. All right. Amen. All right, y'all. I don't even know where to start. Kaylin, can you go get me a bag out the pantry?
She eating her dinner. You get up.
Potato. I have a napkin right here too. So, what other videos would y'all like me to do, like mukbang wise? I haven't done mukbangs in so long. I mean, it's been a minute.
Because you just got your taxes.
Look how big.
That's why you're doing this one. Keep it real.
It might get a little messy. Thank you. I'm gonna put this bag over here so I can easily transport it to the bag. So, this is I got spicy, y'all. I really wanted this. Like, as you guys know, I haven't
Your third time saying that.
Stuff. Just haven't been eating anything I want to eat because I've been trying to work on eating better and stuff like that.
Well, this not helping. But do you know that shrimp has a lot of cholesterol?
So how is y'all's week going so far?
Pretty much. Nowadays ain't nothing good for us. So go ahead and knock yourself out.
A water bottle. As you guys know, your girl started her YouTube masterclass. I started my YouTube masterclass. And
I thought you said the 19th. That's tomorrow.
I started my YouTube masterclass. And I plan on doing my first class Saturday, y'all.
Okay.
Saturday.
That's tomorrow.
I'm super
Today's
excited.
Friday.
Come on, stick a bug.
So I think she said she's going to start with her mom.
To be working with a lot of y'all. And helping y'all grow y'all's channel. So a lot of people wasn't understanding my class, you know. So the difference between my class and Peach's McIntyre's classes, hers is focused on how to grow and how to basically make money. My class is focusing on
and she's showing that too.
How to edit your thumbnails, how to edit your
So you doing
vlogs,
it, you just switching it up though, in a different type of way.
How to spicing up your videos.
I know you studying Peach's videos.
Her class is a little bit
we know that.
For the ones that think that. On the thing, it didn't say that it came with potatoes and stuff, so I ordered potatoes, so I got more potatoes.
Get a baby some. They need potatoes, trust me.
They on this side. You don't like it?
No, you gonna warm it up.
Don't sleep on this, y'all. It's good. Bae's not really a crab person, so he don't like that. He thinks that you have to fight for your food. But I told him sometimes you can get it free.
That's the best part.
Well, this is not king crab. This is just regular snow crab. So no cut.
Why are you dipping that part in the juice and then
I'm enjoying it.
lick it? I don't get that. Y'all see that?
He like, I thought you finna talk to me. Spit his pacifier out and everything.
There ain't no meat on that part. You just, what the hell?
It's gonna fall asleep in my hand, so I gotta go do mommy duties. Again, bye y'all. I'm sorry.